Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Hermes M3 RGB, a smaller than average mechanical keyboard. Does it fall short compared to its bigger brothers, or do big things really come in small packages? Good people, I'm Yeti Machete. Here we focus on tech reviews and tutorials. If you're new here, consider subscribing. We have an awesome community and I would love for you to be a part of it. So the Hermes M3 RGB is an extremely compact keyboard with an ultra slim design, detachable micro USB cable, which I'm very happy about, though for the record I do wish that it was Type-C. You're also getting low profile keys, and when I say low profile, that is not an understatement. The keycaps here on the M3 are less than half the height of your standard keycaps. This all makes for a really portable keyboard that doesn't weigh much more than my phone, or isn't much thicker for that matter. The downside to a feather-light keyboard though is that it's quite easy to accidentally kind of nudge around during intense matches. The 4 rubber feet, 2 of which are risers, help out a bit, though I just wish there was a tiny bit more weight to the Hermes M3. If you're not heavy-handed, this won't even be an issue for you though. Now, with the Hermes M3 being so slim, you would think that there would be some sort of flex or give, but it's actually pretty solid here thanks to the aluminum backplate, which is housing GAMDS certified low-profile switches here. Now, these are not butterfly switches. You're getting full mechanical switches here. These are blue, but they come in a variety of others as well. Normally not too big on blue switches if I'm being honest, but I think they work here. With this low profile design taking less actuation force and being a tad bit quieter than your standard blue switches, they're an absolute joy typing and gaming on. Hands down the most satisfying keyboard I've had the pleasure of typing on. They feel fantastic, and the same thing can be said for the keycaps. They're not those plastic cheapo ones found in a lot of lower end mechanical keyboards. Instead, these ones have a nice rubber-like coating that not only feel great but also do a great job at not picking up greasy fingerprints. Now, while we're on the subject of the keys, let's talk a bit more about them. This obviously is a TKL keyboard, so you're missing out on a number pad and some dedicated media keys. You do, however, still have access to media keys, which is used in junction with the function key. That brings me to my first complaint with this keyboard. The function key is on the left side where normally the window key is found. It's awkward placement, and in the future I would like to see those two swapped back. Now, speaking of the function key, you can also use that with your home, insert, delete, and your arrow keys to change the RGB and effects, though I would recommend installing the Hermes software for a less cumbersome, more customizable experience, like being able to set up to 6 custom profiles, program keys, and a bit more. So I've had the pleasure of using the Hermes M3 RGB for a little over a week, and I think it's a little beauty of a beast. Gaming, typing, it doesn't matter. Everything I do on it is so satisfying. It being a TKL keyboard is a huge win, at least for me. I like to keep things compact, plus the added bonus of RGB, anti-ghosting, and end key rollover. This keyboard takes nothing but dubs all day. If you would like a keyboard that takes dubs all day, check that description. I'll leave links down there for this keyboard for you guys. As always, I'll try to find the best possible price. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, you already know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, drop me a comment. I love hearing from you. If you disliked it though, hit that dislike button twice. Let me know what I could have done differently in the comments. If you haven't yet, check out some other content. Consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it greatly. I'm signing off. Catch you guys in the next one.